Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about last unit, that is unit 18, S and P block elements. So in S block and also in P block, so about elements and compounds we will study. First we will cover S block element, afterwards P block elements. Now see the definition of S block elements. The elements in which last electron enters in outermost s subshell, outermost s orbital or s subshell, that is called s block elements. And s block elements include two groups in the periodic table, and group 1, group 2, group 1 and group 2 elements. Group 1 elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Atomic number 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. Element with atomic number written, and electronic configuration outright, that is covered in previous unit. There is a classification of elements and periodicity properties. They are told if atom number is known, how to complete electronic configuration. But in all these cases, NS1 configuration, noble gas into NS1, 1s2 2s1, 1s2 2s2 2p6, or neon configuration 3s1, 1s2 2s2 2p6, 3s2 3p6, or argon configuration 4s1. Therefore 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1, there is a NS1, electron configuration of group 1 elements, NS1. And group 2 elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. And atomic number 1 number increase 3, 4, 11, 12, 19, 20, 37, 38, 55, 56, 87, 88. So these are the elements in group 1 and 2, and these elements comes under S block because this one NS2, noble gas configuration into NS2. Beryllium 1s2 2s2, magnesium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Like this we can write a electron configuration of all the elements in S block. The elements in which last electron enter in S subshell or outermost S subshell, that is called S block elements. Then other name of the water groups. Group 1 elements also said to be alkali metals. Group 2 elements also called as alkaline earth metals. See why these are called alkali metals? Because when they react with water, example sodium plus water, it can give NaOH plus hydrogen gas. But NaOH is called alkaline solution or alkalis. Therefore, these elements are said to be alkali metals. And these are obtained from earth. From earth's crust, one can extract these metals. And they also react with water, and they produce what, or they can form hydroxides, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, or hydroxides are said to be basic in nature. Hence, they are also said to be alkaline earth metals. Next, size of the elements I will study. Size, orbit number here, second orbit. First orbit 1s1, 1s2 for noble gas, helium. then second orbit, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 7 orbits means a new electron enters in the new cell. Electron enters in the new cells, therefore size goes on increasing. Down the group, size of alkali metal or alkaline earth metals decreases. Alkali metal, alkaline earth metal increases because orbit number increase. See here, orbit 1, orbit 2, orbit 3, orbit 4. Its size increases. Therefore, radius of the atom or ion, atom or cation, here Be2 plus Mg2 plus Na plus K plus or Na, K, etc. Their size, atomic and ionic radii, increases down the group. And each period you can consider in periodic table as second period elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. When you compare second period elements, size of lithium highest, third period sodium highest. Therefore, in each period, size of alkali metal is highest. Then because of that high size, see, you can study about ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. Now you know what do you mean by ionization energy or ionization enthalpy? The energy required to remove outermost electron of neutral isolated gaseous atom, that is called ionization energy. If electron is away from the nucleus, energy required is less. Therefore, ionization energy of cesium, don't consider these two because these are periodic elements, and you study up to cesium and barium. So size of cesium highest, lithium lowest. Therefore, if it is highest electron away from the nucleus, therefore electron can be easily removed. Then ionization energy very low compared to what other elements in group number 1 and 2. So least ionization energy for cesium, highest for lithium in the group number 1. See why ionization energy decreases? Because of the increase in size. If size increases, ionization energy decreases. Okay. Similarly, down the group in group number 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, down the group size increases, ionization energy decreases. But when you compare these two, sodium, magnesium, both comes out as block, but which has higher ionization energy? So answer magnesium, because number of protons are more. If proton number increases in the same energy level, then size contraction occur, and electron is nearer to nucleus. Therefore, ionization energy of magnesium higher than sodium. Therefore, reactivities. When you compare reactivity of these two, alkali metal reactivity higher than alkaline earth metals because of low ionization energy, because of low ionization enthalpy. Next, hydration enthalpy. Now take any element from this: lithium plus sodium, lithium plus water, lithium hydroxide. Means lithium ions are formed. Sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide, Na plus ions are formed. Therefore, these can form ions: Li plus, Na plus, Ka plus, etc. Ions are formed in solution. Now compare these ions and hydration. Yes, smallest size among these three, lithium. And lithium size is small. And if size of the ion is smallest, then hydration is more. Smaller the size of ion, higher the hydration. Therefore, this undergo heavy hydration. Most heavily hydrated ion is lithium, Li plus. Because of this high hydration enthalpy, it has a lowest SRP value. Lowest SRP value. If SRP value is lowest, then it is said to be best reducing agent. Lower the SRP, stronger the reducing agent. Therefore, strongest reducing agent among the elements in the periodic table is lithium, because it has least SRP value and or most negative SRP value. Most negative SRP value. Hence, it is said to be strongest reducing agent. Okay, but weakest reducing agent, sodium. Strongest lithium, weakest sodium. Because SRP of sodium is highest compared to all these. Therefore, strongest reducing agent, weakest reducing agent in what? Group number 1 elements. Therefore, lithium greater than, cesium greater than, Rb greater than, K greater than Na. Means Na last, but don't write Cs last in case of reducing property or reducing power. Then similarly, in case of group 2, reducing property of what? Beryllium, highest compared to all these. But these are what? Weak reducing agent compared to alkali metal, because these have lower SRP values or more negative SRP values. Hence, these are said to be stronger reducing agent compared to group 2 metal ions or group 2 metals or alkaline earth metals. Okay. So, hydration enthalpies here, heavily hydrated and less hydrated. But hydration, when you compare, example, salts, LiCl, MgCl2. LiCl2S2, MgCl2, 8S2, means it is more hydrated. Salts of group 2 metals, they are more hydrated compared to group 1 because, what is the main reason? Because of size. If size is less, hydration is more. Therefore, these are more hydrated compared to group 1 metal halides or salts. LiCl, NaCl. Yes, LiCl, NaCl. So among the two, LiCl is hydrated because of small size, Li plus size. LiCl dihydrate. NaCl no hydration. Because as the size increases, hydration decreases. Okay. Then now about flame test and hydride formation. See about the flame test. When any element to take lithium to cesium or beryllium to barium. But in this group number 2, only these elements can exhibit color, but these also exhibit color. But all the elements cannot exhibit color in group number 2. So lithium metal, lithium, it is taken in the what? Glass. Then it is burnt and it can impart flame. Then color, flame color, crimson red, sodium yellow, potassium violet, rubidium red violet, and cesium blue color, cesium blue color. So all these elements exhibit color to the flame due to, yes, the electron, only one electron present in the outermost orbit. If valence electrons are less than property of the element, there is a soft metal. If valence electrons are more, example D block elements, they have more valence electrons and hence their ionization energy is more. And their property different, whereas they are hard, but these are said to be soft. Alkali metals are soft due to less number of valence electrons. Okay, but here 2 electron valence electron, here 1. Hence, group 2 metals are harder than group 1 metals because of valence electrons. Then the valence electron absorb energy during heating and goes to higher energy level. Again, it falls to the original state and emitting some radiations, and they fall in the visible region, and that emits some radiations or color, and those colors I told. So lithium color, crimson red, sodium yellow, potassium violet or lilac, rubidium red violet, and cesium blue color. All these you have to practice well. Color with metal name. But beryllium magnesium, see here, beryllium 1s2, 2s2, Mg, 1s to 2s to p6, what 3s2. But size small and iris energy high, hence electron cannot be easily removed. Therefore, they cannot exhibit any color. They are colorless also. But these can form colorless flame. But these can form color. Calcium, brick red color to the flame. Strontium, crimson red. And barium, apple green. Correct? Apple green. These are the different colors exhibited by metals in group number 1 and 2. Next, see how they react with different elements. Reactivities. Lithium plus oxygen, sodium plus oxygen, potassium plus oxygen. Balancing not necessary, right? Only product. Lithium oxide Li2O, sodium peroxide, and remaining also potassium, rubidium, cesium. These three form same substance. These are called potassium superoxide, lithium oxide, sodium peroxide, potassium superoxide. And so all the alkali metal cannot form same type of oxides. Don't say metal plus oxygen gives metal oxide. No. Lithium oxide, sodium peroxide, and potassium superoxide. These are major products. But byproducts are there. Small amount of Na2O. Then what Na2O combines with CO2 to form Na2CO3, etc. All those are formed. But when these substances are obtained when they burn in air, right? They burn in oxygen or air. This reaction with oxygen. Then hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they can form hydrides. Lithium and sodium, so lithium hydrogen, Li plus H2 gives LiH, K plus H2 gives KH. These are all called hydrides. Then again, think about the stability of hydrides. Lithium hydride most stable because of small size, right? And this one higher size, therefore bond length is more. Means least stable, most stable. Stability order CSH greater than, RBH greater than, KH greater than, NH greater than, LiH. CSH less stable, stability decreases. It is most stable, least stable, correct. CSH less than, RBH less than, KH less than, NaH less than, LiH. If it is most stable, LiH most stable, then least acidic. So it cannot give easy hydrogen and least reducing agent. Therefore, strongest reducing agent CSH, least reducing agent LiH. This is about hydrides. But most stable, thermally stable, which is most thermally stable, answer lithium hydride. Least stable, cesium hydride. At same time, these beryllium hydride, magnesium hydride, calcium hydride, H2 hydride, H2. Barium hydride, about least stable, and beryllium hydride is stable, and beryllium hydride most stable. But main important, calcium, strontium, barium. All these three you have to compare. This is about hydrides. Then water and halogens. Metal plus H2O, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide. K plus H2O, KOH. Means they can form any alkali metal reacted with water to form metal hydroxide. Therefore, they are all said to be alkalis. This is alkali metal. They are called alkali metal. But order of reactivity, cesium highest, lithium least. As the what ionization energy decreases, rate of reaction or reactivity increases. And with halogens, uh, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, etc. Lithium plus chlorine LiCl, sodium plus chlorine NaCl. Like this, chloride salt. All these can form salts. They can form salt, and it may be chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride. Okay, but most reactive element fluorine, sodium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, most ionic sodium fluoride and most covalent sodium iodide. If anionic size is more, that is called the most covalent. But cationic size is less. Cationic size, example LiCl, NaCl. LiCl is said to be covalent, NaCl is said to be ionic. Because LiCl size small, it is said to be covalent. And LiCl, MgCl2, they have diagonal relationship. And both are soluble in alcohol and also soluble in water. But these are NaCl, CaCl2. NaCl, CaCl2 soluble in water, but they are insoluble in alcohol. There is a main property of Na and Mg. That is called diagonal relationship. Okay. Lithium can form lithium nitride. Magnesium can form magnesium nitride. Sodium cannot. Calcium cannot. When you burn in air, they can form nitrides. Li plus N2, Li3N. Mg plus N2, Mg3N2. Like this, they can form nitrides. Okay. Next, LiNO3, MgNO3, Li2O plus NO2, MgO plus NO2 plus O2 plus O2. But sodium nitrate, NaNO2 plus O2. So it is important. When nitrates are used, lithium nitrate only they can form Li2O, means oxide, NO2, O2, NO2, O2. Only these two. But others can form only nitride. NaNO3 gives NaNO2, but not Na2O. KNO3 gives KNO2, but not K2O. So because of similarities, yes, it is said to be having a diagonal relationship. Next, reducing property I told. Then sodium metal or magnesium, calcium, potassium, lithium. Take any metal of group 1 or 2, then mix with ammonia. It can form NaNH3 X times plus electron NH3 Y times power minus X plus Na. Similarly, here you connect Li, R, Mg, Ca, etc. But the color of this one is blue. Alkali metal or alkaline earth metal, they are dissolving in ammonia and gives a blue color. And this blue color due to ammoniated sodium ion, ammoniated electron, ammonia, sodium. 4 options are there. So answer is color due to electron. Free electron, main important is here. Unpaired electron is E. This ammoniated electron cause color and is paramagnetic. When it is heated, then this ion, sodium ion, is react with ammonia to give sodamide, and then become diamagnetic. On long standing, it is changed into diamagnetic and color changes into bronze. But in lower temperature, and there is a formation of blue color due to free electron, that is ammoniated electron color. There is it may be metal belong to group number 2 or group number 1. they give same color blue. Due to what answer? Ammoniated electron. Answer is ammoniated electron. Next, with ammonia, oxides, hydroxides, carbonates. See here. Oxides, hydroxides, carbonates. Lithium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide. Compare with all these oxides. More basic, means basic nature goes on increasing down the group. Oxides. All these can form oxide. But Li2O, Na2O2, KO2, means they can form different type of oxides. But hydroxides, LiOH, NaOH, KOH, RgOH, ESOH, yes, hydroxides. But all hydroxides are said to be basic, but basicity increase, solubility also increase. Only in case of hydroxide, basicity and solubility of hydroxides increase down the group. Down the group. It may be group 1 hydroxide, group 2 hydroxide. Solubility and what? Solubility and basicity, basic nature of hydroxides increases. But carbonates, you can see carbonates, Li2CO3, Na2CO3, K2CO3, Rb2CO3, all carbonates will compare. Stability of carbonate increase, solubility decrease, stability increase, and solubility decrease. Next, here calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate, barium carbonate, solubility decreases, stability increases. Solubility decrease, stability increase. But sodium carbonate more stable than calcium carbonate. All alkali carbonates more stable than what? Or more thermally stable than carbonates from group number 2. Then solubility of what? Beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, they are more soluble. But solubility goes on decreasing, but almost these sulfates, carbonates, they are insoluble. Therefore, solubility decreases. More soluble, less soluble. But almost insoluble, barium sulfate and strontium sulfate. About solubilities, but solubility here same. Solubility of what? Sulfates decreases. Here sulfate decreases. But hydroxide solubility increases in group number 1 or 2. Carbonates, lithium dioxide, sodium carbonate, sodium dioxide, sodium bicarbonate. Okay, from this part, after 2-3 minutes of continue.